Yes, good morning students. Today we'll start with the chapter matrices. Start with the chapter matrices. The matrices is some arrangement of number between these two brackets. This big bracket or small bracket. Arrangement of number is there. There are two terms in the chapter matrices. One is rows and another is column. Rows and column. There is the matrices in front of you. Numbers are 1, 3, 4, -7, 6 and 3. This is a matrices. Okay. So what are rows? What are rows? Like here, this first one and this. There are 1, 2. Means 1, 2 terms. These are called the rows. This is R1 and this is R2. First row. This whole is first row. This whole. It is first row and this whole is second row. Okay. The next thing is columns. Columns like this arrangement. 1 and 7. It is column 1. We mark it as C1. And this 3 and 6, it is C2. And this 4 and 3, it is C3. Means it is column first, it is column second, it is column third. Okay. This is row first and this is row second. And in the this form, this is column first, column second and column third. We have to write, sometime you get the question like order of matrices. Order of matrices says that how many numbers of rows and columns are there. How many number of rows and columns are there. First we will write the number of rows. Like here are 2 rows. So it is 2 into and number of column are 3. So the order of the matrices is 2 into 3. The order of the matrices is 2 into 3. Okay. Similarly, there may be a matrices like this. Suppose there is 1, let's take any, -3, 4, 6, 7. This is also in matrices. Okay. So how many rows are there? There are 2 rows, first row and second row. Okay. And how many columns are there? There are also 2 columns, first column, second column. 2 columns. So the order of the matrices is 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Order of the matrices is 2 into 2. Let's take some more example. Suppose we have a matrices like this. It is 4, 9, 6, 4, -3, 2, 5, 7, 2. Okay. In this, how many rows are there? There are 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there. And how many columns are there? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 columns. So the order of the matrices is 3 into 3. It may be asked you directly that what is the, not asked in the question, but you need to know what is the order of the matrices. Okay. So now the next term is different type of matrices. Different type of matrices. Let me explain you. Different types of matrices. First one, write it down. First one is, it is row matrices. Row matrix. Row matrix means when only there is one row. Like this. Suppose it is 2, 3, 6. Only one row is there. This is called row matrices. Similarly, there is column matrix. Column matrix, like when there is only one column, 1, 2, 3, like only one column. This is column matrices. Suppose we have to write the order of this matrices. What will be the order of this matrices? There is only how many rows are there? First we write the rows. How many rows are there? 1. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. It means the order of the matrices is 1 into 3. Similarly, in this, suppose we have to write the order also. The order of the matrices, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. three rows, and how many columns are there? There is only one column. So order of the matrices is 3 into 1. Okay, so this is row matrix, column matrix, and next is rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix, when the simple as we had drawn earlier also, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. This is a rectangular matrix. When the number of rows and columns, they are not equal. Yes or no? When they are not equal. Suppose in this order of matrices is, how many rows are there? There are 2 rows. Multiply. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns. So order is 2 into 3. This is also an rectangular matrix. This is also an rectangular matrix. This one is also an rectangular matrix. But the case when the number of rows and number of columns are equal, then we call it as square matrix. Then we call it as, number 4 is square matrix. When the number of rows and number of columns are equal, we call it as square matrix. Let's make a square matrix. 2, 3, 7, 4. It is a square matrix. How it is a square matrix? How many rows are there? 1, 2. There are 2 rows. How many columns are there? 1, 2. So there are 2 columns. So the order of the matrix is 2 into 2. So it is a square matrix. Similarly, another example of square matrix. Let's take a matrix here. 1, 3, 4, 7, 6, 2, 4, 9, 8. Here, same way, how many rows are there? There are 1, 2, 3 rows. And how many columns are there? There are 1, C1, this is C2, this is C3. There are 3 columns. So, what is the order of the matrix? It is 3 into 3. So, it is also called square matrix. When the number of columns and rows is different, then it is called rectangular matrix, and when the number of rows and column it is same, it is called square matrix. Okay, so we'll continue this chapter in next video. Thank you so much.